Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for that? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, lightweight power, control, and comfort for all levels. Take your tennis game to the next level with the Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, a top choice for players who value a blend of power, precision, and easy maneuverability. Engineered with advanced graphite construction, this racket delivers impressive stability while keeping the weight light at just 285 grams, making it an excellent option for players of all skill levels, from beginners to competitive athletes. The 100 square inch head size provides a generous sweet spot, allowing for more forgiving shots without sacrificing control. At 27 inches in length and with a grip size of 4 1/8, the EZONE 100L is designed for comfortable handling, making it ideal for adults seeking a racket that balances performance with playability. Yonex's signature isometric technology ensures improved accuracy by enlarging the sweet spot, while the updated frame structure helps absorb shock and reduce vibrations, giving you smoother, more comfortable swings. Whether you're hitting powerful baseline shots or looking for precision at the net, this racket adapts to your playing style seamlessly. Perfect for recreational players seeking more control, intermediate players wanting extra speed, or advanced players in need of a lighter alternative, the Yonex EZONE 100L 2022 brings premium performance in a versatile package. Crafted for durability and long-lasting play, it's the racket you can count on to improve your game. Step onto the court with confidence. Power, comfort, and control are in your hands with the Yonex EZONE 100L. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, pre-strung with 16G Babolat sin-gutted mid-range tension. Experience effortless power and enhanced comfort with the Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th generation, tennis racket, one of the most versatile and player-friendly rackets in the Babolat lineup. Designed with a 4 1/8 inches grip size and pre-strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gutted mid-range tension, this racket is ready to hit the court the moment it arrives. The 110 square inch head size offers an expanded sweet spot, delivering maximum forgiveness on off-center hits while generating explosive power. This makes it a perfect choice for recreational players, intermediates seeking more consistency, or anyone who values comfort and easy depth on their shots. Engineered with Babolat's FSI power technology, the string spacing and grommet design create added spin potential and improved shot precision. The racket's lightweight build combines with its extended head size to deliver outstanding maneuverability, allowing players to confidently hit ground strokes, volleys, and serves with ease. The 10th General Pure Drive continues Babolat's tradition of innovation, incorporating advanced frame construction for improved stability and vibration dampening. Whether you're rallying from the baseline or attacking the net, this racket provides a perfect balance of power, spin, and control. Stylish and functional, the white string setup enhances its sleek design while ensuring dependable playability. With its combination of technology and performance, the Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th Gen, is ideal for players who want a racket that makes the game easier, more powerful, and more enjoyable. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, explosive spin and power for advanced players. Unleash your full potential with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Generation Tennis Racket, designed in collaboration with Rafael Nadal to deliver the ultimate combination of spin, power, and precision. Built for advanced players who want to dominate rallies, this racket embodies the aggressive playstyle that defines Nadal's game. Crafted with high-quality graphite construction, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen weighs 289 grams, providing the perfect balance of stability and maneuverability. The 4 3/8 inches grip size ensures a comfortable and secure hold, allowing you to swing with confidence and control on every shot. Featuring Aero modular technology, the frame is engineered for faster racket head speed, giving you the ability to generate explosive topspin from the baseline. The FSI spin string pattern works with spin grommets to enhance string movement, making it easier to hit heavy, penetrating shots that push your opponent back. Babolat has also integrated advanced vibration dampening for improved feel and reduced arm fatigue, so you can play longer without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're serving with power, hitting deep forehands, or finishing points at the net, this racket gives you the edge to take command of the match. With its bold Rafa-inspired design, the pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen not only performs at the highest level but also looks as iconic as the champion who inspired it. Perfect for competitive adults, this racket is built for players who thrive on spin, power, and relentless intensity. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket, precision, feel, and control for advanced players. Step onto the court with confidence using the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 tennis racket, engineered for players who demand ultimate precision and responsiveness. Favored by advanced competitors, the Blade series is known for its outstanding control and feel, making it the racket of choice for aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential while maintaining a clean, connected feel at contact, giving players the ability to dictate rallies with heavy topspin or crisp flat strokes. Weighing 305 grams unstrung, this racket offers the perfect balance of stability and maneuverability, ideal for fast-paced exchanges and explosive shot-making. Constructed from braided graphite and basalt, the Blade 98 V9 provides exceptional flexibility and a smooth, responsive feel that reduces harsh vibrations while amplifying touch and feedback. The 4 3/8 inches grip size, Grip 3, ensures a secure, comfortable hold, allowing players to swing freely and confidently during extended play. With its sleek design and modern updates, the Blade 98 V9 continues Wilson's legacy of innovation, delivering a racket that blends traditional control with modern power and spin. Unstrung and customizable, it gives players the freedom to tailor their string setup for their style and performance goals. Perfect for adult players at the advanced level, the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 is built to elevate your game with precision, feel, and uncompromising performance. Take control of every point with the racket trusted by competitive athletes worldwide. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket, balanced power, control, and feel for all levels. Play with speed, precision, and confidence using the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket, designed to deliver the perfect balance of power and control for players at every level. Endorsed by professionals and trusted worldwide, the Speed MP combines cutting-edge technology with a modern design, making it an excellent choice for adults who want to elevate their game. Weighing 11.1 ounces, unstrung, and featuring a 4.5 inches grip size, this racket offers a comfortable, stable feel without compromising maneuverability. Built with Graphene 360 Plus technology, the frame enhances energy transfer and provides exceptional stability, while innovative spiral fibers improve flex and feel at impact for smoother, more controlled shots. The mid-plus head size gives players a blend of precision and forgiveness, making it easy to generate depth from the baseline while still maintaining pinpoint accuracy on volleys and serves. Whether you're an intermediate player developing consistency or an advanced competitor demanding reliability, the Speed MP adapts to your playing style with ease. Its lightweight yet durable graphite construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the streamlined design reflects Head's focus on speed and modern playability. From fast-paced rallies to decisive finishing shots, this racket provides the versatility needed to excel on any court surface. Trusted by champions and built for ambitious players, the Head 2022 Speed MP is more than just a racket, it's your tool for mastering power, spin, and control in every match. Step up your performance with speed on your side.